So here's the basement that I've been working on for a little while now. I put the top bit in and put those low profile lights, LED lights. I had worked on this before. I finished it with polyurethane, 2 coats of polyurethane on these side walls and the entire basement. It's right around 2,000 square feet. This is more or less a storage area, but it's a kitchenette. It's got plumbing over on this wall along here under that window, and then there's access for the bathroom that's adjacent on the other side of that wall. So this is more or less a kitchenette, and this was the side planks that I was using, cutting up. This is the raw. You can see the tongue and groove is still in it. I removed that first of all, and then I wound up with these planks with the edge on them, and then I put that profile in it for the edge treatment so that all the trim, all the base trim has got a 3/4 inch thick base mold trim that's 2 1/8 inch high all the way around. And I cut the edges off, and I got corner pieces off of them too. So that's the mess of the kitchen area. We'll probably start that in the spring. This was my pop-up tent to keep the dust out. I had, for the house, I had that air cleaner, this water air purifier, sucking dust out of the air. So you can see the base molding. I come here, it's going to continue around here, but I got to get some knotty pine plywood to cut the pieces out to cap that in, this entryway, this open entryway. Oh, so we got the trim, all the base, and the door. And this is a sauna room. He's got a sauna in here. All the base molding in the corners. And then the next thing will be a drop ceiling here. So here's it's got a stone or paver kind of looking walkway down the hallway. And then it's got this wood off on the side in the living dining area. And so I did all the cornering and the base mold you can see there. And behind the plastic tent, well, see, I got my, see, I got my saw in here and the table saw, current job site table saw, shop vac. I had sawhorses up on each side with the planks, putting polyurethane on them. There's all my mess from that. There's a nice fireplace there. I think there's a TV mount because it's going to get mounted up there. Here's the bathroom with the extra toilet sitting in the shower stall. These glass blocks are going to go up on top of this wall, and so it'll allow light through into the shower stall with the jacuzzi tub adjacent to it. And toilet, of course, and privacy wall. We gotta hook up the lavatory. That was a kit deal. It's kind of got to figure out something creative with the light to make it work and get the right 3-hole faucet set up. And then down the hallway, there's a utility room with the furnace and whatnot. This is his storage. It's got the fireplace, or no, that's the back of the fireplace, I suppose. And then he's got furs in here. He works with Jim Beetle and sells furs, and he has all his fishing equipment. So then there's this bedroom. See here, I painted these rooms a while back. I set all these doors, closet doors. They got 2 They got lights in them. But though, see, some of that got water damage. I got to finish that up. So that's that. And then I got to step out the door trim on the inside of these rooms too, because it's stepped. I got to step it out. Do all kinds of fun finagling, custom work. And then here's the other bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, it's not as deep. And it's got 2 sets of closets too. So that's all she wrote for now. Till next time.